Yeah, hello. Once again, is Richard Dupey here, and this is Midweek. Okay, let me say congratulations for our lucky Tuesday. We got a win over the 68-75. So, congratulations. Uh, if you want to send me something, feel free, but I will give you the number. I'm owing MTN, so if you can send it through the Vodafone, maybe it will be useful. If you have the Vodafone, but if you don't have it, you can comment it and I will give it to you. But if you don't want to send anything, feel free. Let's go straight to it. I only hope this is the beginning of good things to come. So let's go. In the year 2021 at event 910, event 910, they play single one over there. Then this one is going up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They play single 4. From the single 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 4 will come back and play. So as he play, then following week, they play 85 at last position. Then they play 53 machine. Following week, they play 17 under the 85. So following week, the single one will have to come back and play as a full banker. The single 4 will also come and play again as a full banker. So single 1, single 4, too short. Single 1, single 4, too short. I'm adding the 68 to it to form the third number. Yeah, I'll get there. So when you come to the current 2 at event 1103, you will see the single 1 play over there, 4th position. Then 6 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you see single 4 play. So as the single 4 play, count from the single 4, so 6 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 4 will come back to play. So as he play, then following week, they play 85, last position. Then 53 will play at machine. So 17 will play under the 85. So following week, the single 1, single 4 will come and play you too short over here. Single 1, single 4, too short. So those are the 2 numbers that I'm using for midweek. But see, the reason why I'm adding the 68, you will notice that as the single 1 play over here, it play with 68. So is that 68 that come to play on the event? Even as the single 1 repeat, the 68 play before the single 1 repeat to come and play. So you can see when you come to the current also, they did not play the 68 with the single 1. They played the following week before the single 1 repeat again. So it's just like how they do it here. 68 play before single 1. The same thing. 68 play before the single 1 play again. But it's the same thing. So the 68 is another banker to come and play over here. So that become the third number. But let's confirm the plan from Thursday. Thursday fortune. There is a too short here. The same thing. You can see single 1 in machine. Single 1 machine in the year 2022 in Thursday. Following week they play 40. Then 1789 will play at winning. 1789. So you can see this is what is supposed to play with. The 89 is supposed to repeat. Then he play with the single 1 and then the single 4. So you can see the single 1 will come and play with the single 4. Following week the 2 will repeat. That is the single 1, single 4 over there. If you come to the current, you see the same thing, single 1 machine. Following week 1789. So as they play the 40 also in machine, the single 1 will have to come out and play. Then the 40 will turn single 4. That is what they play over here. The 40 will turn single 4 to play with single 1, single 4. The 89 will repeat. If you want to PERM here, feel free and PERM it, because there is another confirmation also in our SIDA. you already know what it is. If you don't know, here is it. In the year 2023 in Asida, event 48, they play the single one over there, then they repeat it in machine. So as they play the 89 at winning, following week, you notice that the single one will have to come out from the machine to play with the single 4. Then you also play with the 89 repetition. Is the same thing that they play in the Thursday here. The 89 is supposed to repeat and play with single 4. So if you come to the current confirmation to see the single one and then they repeat, play 89. So the one supposed to come out and play 89 supposed to repeat to play with the single 4. So this is the event. This is the event. Even though 89 is not there, if you want, you can add the 89 to the event. That is if you want. But these are the 5 numbers that I'm using for midweek. So event 897, 897 numbers on the event: 26, 43, single 4, 68, and then single 1. 26, 43, single 4, 68, and then single 1. Those are the 5 numbers that I'm using for midweek. So hopefully we get our win from there. Again, bye for now. Let's hope for the best.